Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to install XAMPP on Mac. Open Safari browser. Type XAMPP in browser search bar. Click Download XAMPP. Click Download under Mac OS. Click Downloads. Click the XAMPP DMG file. Click XAMPP. Click Open. Type password to install. Click Next to continue. 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 Unpacking files started. Click Finish to complete installation. Click Manage Servers. Start MySQL and Apache servers. Type localhost in browser search bar. Click PHP info to view PHP version. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.